off your mouth.
You won't get away with this.
Newsflash. I already have.
Whatever you do with me, Miles knows everything. He'll come looking for me.
Miles? Miles is dropping me off at the airport. He double-crossed you.
No!
See, like I always said, you're cheap. The mistake you made was you didn't offer him enough money. You are a small person, and you should never, ever pick a fight with a big person.
What are you gonna do?
Nothing.
You can't leave me in here.
Oh, yes, I can. This place should be closed for at least 2 days. No staff, no builders. Just you shivering away here in the fridge. By my reckoning, you should have died of hypothermia by the time I hit the beaches in Turkey.
No! No! Ray! Please! Ray!
No one stabs me in the back! Door! What the hell's going on?
Oh, I think I've twisted my knee. I'm bleeding. He was gonna kill me.
I thought you killed him.
Just help me up, will you? I'm in agony here.
Hey?
Oh!
Why didn't you say something?
Because I didn't see!
Open his door! Hey, open his door now! Save your energy. It'll be your last lockdown. So try and chill out.